Hi friends, Miss Brosnan here, and I am going to teach you about another letter. We've already learned about letter A, letter B, letter C, and now we're going to learn about the next letter. So this is letter D. What letter is it? D. So this is letter D. This is uppercase D. It has one straight line going down and then a curvy line going around and connecting that first line. So this is letter D. Now it's your turn to say it. What letter is it? That's right, letter D. Let's try that one more time. This is letter D. You say the letter now. Perfect. So I'm going to put uppercase D on the wall next to me, and you can make it in the air. So let's do it together. We're going to make a straight line down and then a curvy line going around connecting. Great job. Let's do that one more time together. Straight line down, curvy line connecting. Great job. Okay, this is also letter D. This is lowercase d. To make lowercase d, you would make one curvy line like that and then a straight line going down. So we can add it to our other letter here, and I will move the uppercase D and put the lowercase d right here. So again, this is letter, that's right, letter D. So we're going to make it in the air together. So first we're going to make a straight line down and then make a bump connecting it. Very good, guys. So I have some names here, and I want to see if you can find letter D in these names. The first name we have, that's right, we have Jordan. Jordan is in the Precious Jewels class. Can you find the D in Jordan's name? Look closely. That's right, it's right here. He has a lowercase d in his name. So we're going to put him right under the letters we have on the wall. Then we have another name here. Let's see if you can find the D in this name. This is Daniel. Daniel is in the Panda classroom. Can you find the D in his name? Look closely. Yep, it's right there. That is uppercase D. So we are going to add him to our wall. And some of Miss Brosnan's papers are falling. Okay, so we have Jordan, we have Daniel. Who could be next? Let's see. Whose name is this? That's right, we have Eddie. Eddie is a unicorn. He is in my classroom, Miss Brosnan's class. Can you find the D's in Eddie's name? Look closely. Yep, right here and right here. Eddie has two lowercase d's in his name. So we are going to add him to the other names right here. And then we have one last name that we're going to look at. Does anybody know whose name this is? That's right, it's Diego. Diego is also a unicorn. Can you find the D in Diego's name? Yep, it's right here. He has an uppercase D in his name. His name begins with letter D. So I'm going to add him to our other names. So, let's see if we can find them again, and we're going to give them a circle. So, let's look at Jordan's name. Right there, that's letter D. I'm going to circle it. Let's see, where is it in Daniel's name? You got it right here. We're going to circle that one. And what about Eddie? Where is the D's in Eddie's name? You got it. Remember, he has 1 and 2. So I'm going to circle both of his D's. And then where is the D in Diego? You got it. It is right here in the beginning of his name, uppercase D. So now that we've looked for letter D in our names and we also wrote it in the air, we're going to write it on a piece of paper. So Miss Brosnan has a piece of paper ready here. She is going to start at the top to make letter D. So, you guys ready? Here we go. We're going to start at the top, make a line going down, and then curve around and connect them. Now it's your turn. You try writing it. And I am going to write it one more time. So, you can write it with me. Are you guys ready? And you can write it with any kind of paper you have, or if you have an old newspaper or something else you want to write in, you can even just write it in the air if you don't have paper or a pencil. So, you guys ready? Here we go. We're gonna do down and then a bump around. Great job, guys. Okay, now that we've made uppercase D, it's time to make lowercase d. So, for lowercase d, this one is a little tricky. We have to remember that we have to make the curvy line first, the bump. So, let's make the curvy line. And then we're going to start at the top and make a line going down. There we go. We have letter D. So, remember, curvy line first and then the long straight line going down. Let's make it one more time so we can get practice. Curvy line around, straight line down. Good. And you can write it at home. Even if you don't have paper, you could be using your finger. So let's try that around. Curvy line around, straight line down. And this is lowercase d. So we have uppercase D and lowercase d. What letter is this again? You say it. That's right, lowercase d. Letter D. Sorry, Miss Brosnan is forgetting what she's saying. We have uppercase D and lowercase d. And what letter are we making? You say it. That's right, letter D. All right, guys, thank you for learning this letter with me. I would like to challenge you to find letter D in your house. You could find it on a book, in a greeting card, on a cereal box, or in a magazine, or even on something that you have in your kitchen. So I want you to look and see if you can find letter D, and I want you to point it out to your parents when you see it. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.